Of course, I had to make this song about you right now. Yeah. I told you I was gonna make this song about you right here. Yeah. Hey, bad little thing, yeah. True religion ginger. Yeah. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me? Yeah.
What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Alright, you guys, so in today's video I wanted to do like this fall latte brown makeup look. I love soft glams. I know you guys know I'm always doing like kind of natural glam vibes, like natural baddie looks, but I love me a brown soft glam. So with the latte look, I feel like lattes are really just warm brown colors. No blush. You can go for highlight if you want. I didn't. Also in today's video I did go ahead and head over to Ulta, which I'm going to include the clip. Okay, y'all, so I'm in my favorite store ever. I forgot my camera, so we're gonna be taking it to the old school iPhone. I have so much stuff with me. It's like I'm doing a full glam. Let me show you guys. I saw this. This is the face glue. When I say I wanted this so bad, I've seen the girls try it, so we're gonna try it out. If you're at the makeup store and your hand don't look like this, are you really at the makeup store for real? Why is it not focusing? Okay, so I'm gonna also try this setting spray as well. I'm more seeing people try the primer, but I think this is really cute. But I did go ahead and head over to Ulta and I decided to pick up some new makeup products. So in today's video, we're gonna be trying out some new affordable makeup products. So some of the products that we're trying out is the NYX the face glue, which is the gripping primer. We're also gonna be trying out the face glue setting spray. We're also gonna be trying out Revolutions in real life filter. We're gonna be just trying out a couple of new products, just testing it out, seeing what we like and what we don't like, and you guys will get my thoughts. I'm sorry, the flash just came off, so the light might have changed just a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay, y'all can still see me. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how we achieve this easy latte glam, then definitely keep on watching. Bye guys. Okay, my love, so we're gonna pin the hair back because guess what? It's about to get serious. Okay, it's about to get serious. We are about to jump into my eyebrows. So with this, I have an eyebrow tutorial already on my page, but I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I haven't used this in a long time. As you guys know, the Wet n Wild had me in a chokehold. That micro eyebrow pencil is like so raw. I love this so much, but I can say it kind of smudges, but it's only $3.99. So any little issues it gives you, which is literally one tiny issue, it's not the end of the world. But I had to jump back into this dip brow because it literally dries down and it doesn't smudge at all. You don't need to add any extra product to make sure it stays because it's staying after it dries on that face, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and just carve out my eyebrows. If you guys want more of a detailed eyebrow tutorial, let me know because the holidays are coming up and I want you guys to look good. Guess what? If you're doing this makeup look for any other reason besides the holidays, it's still gonna look really good. But baby girl, if you're gonna be in that living room with that hating ass auntie or that hating ass sister, I'm gonna show you how to beat that face, okay? Period. So first step into the skincare world, we need to wipe that face down. It does not matter if you wash your face 30 seconds before applying that makeup, you need to wipe that face down, okay? Next up, I tried out the NYX the face glue and I thought this was so cute. I love really like funky cute products like this, so I had to try it out. I saw it all over my TikTok. The formula of this product was a little sticky. I thought it would be more stickier, but it was like semi-sticky. So we're just working this into the skin and I was seeing how sticky it got, and it got semi-sticky, but I'm not gonna lie, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer way more sticky. Like, we're gonna try the stick test. Do you think it's gonna work? It didn't. Yeah, it didn't, but that's okay because it never claimed to do that. It didn't claim to have makeup product sticking on your face. But anyways, for my foundation, I'm jumping in with the One Size Beauty Turn Up the Base foundation. This is my new favorite foundation as of right now. Look how it blends like skin. It looks like skin in the bottle. It makes my skin just look so freaking healthy, so dewy, so glowy, but it dries down matte, which is like everything that I need in my foundation. So really do like this. If you haven't tried it out, definitely check it out. Patrick Star, you did your big one, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out until our arms hurt. One thing about me, I showed you guys me carving out the bottom of my brows with concealer, but for the top of the brows, I like to carve it out with foundation. I don't like that like bright eyebrow, especially at the top. So this is how it just blends seamlessly into my foundation. Does that make sense? Okay. Next up, I'm taking the Tarte concealer in medium sand. It's very, very light, but I really wanted a highlighted look for today's glam, okay? For our latte, this is basically going to be our creamer. This is going to be the milk in the latte, okay? We're just adding a very, very light concealer. And now we're going to get the brown back into it. The black opal foundation stick. You have to get it. This is an oldie. This is why all the OGs was using it. It is so good. I use it for me. I use it for my clients. I am in love with this foundation stick. It just brings a certain shade of warmth that a lot of contour sticks do not have. It's kind of like more of a bronzing stick. That's what it is. It has that bronzing warm undertone, and that's what I love. Like, I live for a good bronzer. Ugh, just love it so bad. Anyways, after we blended out that bronzing, we're just gonna go ahead and just blend out my concealer. One thing that I was noticing right here is that this concealer dries down very fast. Like, I'm blending it out and I'm like, ooh, she don't move. Yeah, she don't move. So I had to go ahead and grab the Juvias Place setting spray. This is the Ready Set Sealed one. You can grab any wet setting spray, any hydrating setting spray. Spray it on your face if your concealer dries down too fast, and it's gonna help bring back the moisture so you can blend it out seamlessly, okay? So we're just blending her out. The sponge that I'm using is the Paw sponge. I talk about it so often. I get it from Amazon. I love it. You get like 10 sponges for $9. Less than $1 per sponge. They're so good. They are literally comparable to the beauty blenders. You know how you get other sponges from the beauty supply stores? They're not that good, but that one is really, really good. So it's going to also be linked down below in the description box. So here we're just blending out the nose contour. I like to do it last. And as you see, I go all the way up into the brow and all the way down the bridge of my nose. This is how I get that snatch petite nose, okay? We're not going for a brand new shape. We're just enhancing our bridge and making our nose look a little bit more petite. Then I'm going back in with the Paw sponge and blending out the concealer that was on the nose. I'm adding a little bit of extra concealer because this is a holiday glam. This is a holiday beat. For that hating ass family member that's gonna be talking all that crap and stressing you out, we're gonna erase those bags and never look like we cared. It's never gonna give we cared, okay? So we're just adding a little bit more extra concealer for extra oomph. So now I'm trying the IRL filter pressed powder and setting powder. This is the In Real Life filter from Revolution, and I really, really love the packaging. I thought it was so cute. In Real Life filter, baby, period. You got the pressed powder, and this is the loose powder, okay? So I'm just adding the pressed powder directly to my under eye. I was nervous because, as you guys saw, it was a snow white, but look how it blurred and blended out my under eye. I am telling you, this is that, girl. It retails for like $10 and it's tea. I'm just applying it all over my face now. I was scared that it was gonna be too white, but baby, look how it just blurred my face completely out. Now we're gonna go in with the loose powder, and we're just going to set this first. So we're pressing it into the skin, and then we're gonna go back in and add excess powder to bake it, okay? We really wanna give baked. We want this makeup to last a long, long time. We got a long day ahead of us, okay? Now I'm just gonna go in with my powdered contour. Listen, anything that you use that's a cream, anything that you use that's a liquid, make sure you set it with a powder, baby girl. You have to do it. It's gonna make your makeup last. You're gonna see the girl that doesn't do that, and you're gonna see the girl like you that does do that, and watch whose makeup lasts 12 hours from now. I'm telling you the game. Just listen to me, okay? So we're doing the same thing, adding that powder to my nose, the powder contour. So here we're just adding the baking powder a little bit more, and you see I'm going all the way on the sides of my nose just so we can really get that nose snatch. This loose powder was definitely very messy. I looked a little crazy here. I was looking very ghost-like, but that's okay. So with the Culture 2 palette from Juvias Place, y'all know I'm a Juvias girl. I'm a Juvias stan, okay? Period. We're just gonna go ahead and take that brown shade, and we're just gonna put that all over the lid. For this latte glam, we're not going too crazy. We're just using very warm, earthy tones just to emphasize our beautiful face. We're not going too in depth. We're literally just taking any brown shadow and just smoking it out all over the lid, okay? Leave a little bit of space between your eyebrows so we can have a nice gradient effect. And then we're gonna go in with that gold shade. You can take a pure gold. This is more of a bronzy gold, but we're just gonna pop that into our inner corners. This is the simplest eyeshadow look that you can do, but it looks so good. I'm taking my favorite Amazon lashes. We're taking the short fluffy ones, and I'm gonna pop this on off camera, period. These are natural. We don't want them to, you know what they love to say, oh, you're gonna fly away. Girl, shut the heck up, okay? Shut up. Honestly, we don't care what they gonna say, but just for this look, I decided that I wanted to go a little bit more natural. But here, we're just gonna dust off the excess powder on my face. Sorry, y'all. Somebody, a little client texted me. My bad. It was a little noisy. But anyways, we're just dusting off the excess powder on my face. It's looking a little white, but just know once you set it down with some setting sprays, it's going to just kind of blend everything into the skin. I'm taking my Il Makiage lash. What is this called? Mascara. We're taking the mascara and we're just popping that onto the bottom lashes just so we can get a nice full lash effect. And to top off a latte glam, it's not a latte glam without a brown lip liner with a nude inner. Like, you just have to do it, babes. You just have to. It looks so good and it just ties together so well. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick and this is in shade Butterscotch. I love this shade. It's gorgeous. Instead of patting my lips, I'm using my fingers to blend out the liner into the lipstick. It really gives you this soft blended lip. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. For setting spray, we're using the NYX the Face Glue setting spray. This is my first time using it and honestly I think it was really nice. I like the spray on it. I have nothing bad to say about it and my makeup really did last a long time. Okay, my love, so that is the end of today's video. Today we went ahead and tried out this latte glam. I really love it. I love like that it's this soft brown glam. If you guys know me, I love me a soft glam. Like, soft glams are my favorite. I like a natural glam sometimes, like when I'm going out. I'm not trying to do too much, but if I'm going out, if I'm going to a club, I'm going to a birthday dinner, I'm going to on a date, I'm pulling out the soft glam, and this is like something that I like to do. It's still very neutral. It's using neutral browns, neutral earth tone colors, but it really just emphasizes the looks and it adds just a little bit of dramatics to it. Everything that I use in today's video is going to be linked down below in the description box. Every single thing, so you are not feeling left out, okay? Everything's going to be linked down below in the description box. Today I gave you guys my thoughts on some of the products that we use. So for the face, what's it called, the Face Glue gripping primer, I do like it. I like that my face is not feeling sticky, but it really did grip my foundation very, very well. I love the In Real Life filter from Revolution. That was really, really good, especially that blurring powder. I was a little nervous that my makeup was going to give a little too powdery, a little too white, because it was translucent but it looked pure white. However, it came out very, very nicely. I love the finish of it. We also tried out the Shape Tape, I believe. Which one was it? This is an oldie. This is like so old, but I tried out the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I tried out medium sand and I really did like it. Only thing I could say, it dries down really fast, so I have to probably put my contour on first and then apply the concealer and blend out. But all in all, I feel like everything paired together so beautifully. This latte glam definitely looks gorgeous. So if you try out this look, don't forget to let me know. Comment down below if you're gonna try out the look. Comment down below if you did try out the look. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social networks, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere, just so I can stay up to date with you guys and you guys can stay up to date with me. Also, if you made it this far in today's video, don't forget to comment down below. The secret emoji is gonna be right here on the screen. That's how I know you are gang, you are part of the team, and you are just that girl, okay, period. I love you guys so much. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to the channel. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.